traders, Anthony here. We are going to run through this week's VIP trade signals, have a look at the outcome, and I'm going to explain each trade, why I took the trade, so you understand my thought process, why I closed the trade, and made certain decisions along the way. I'm just going to start from the top. I've marked these in green, as you can see here. Green highlight. So these are the trades we took. We'll just run from the top and I'll work my way down. So Aussie CAD, obviously, green bar under, strong bullish trend. This was a Thursday trade and I'm going with the Fibonacci retrace, buy. But you find that into Thursday and Friday, a lot of the time, these will start to go against. As it started to trade south and I ended up shutting it down in slight profit. So just better than break even. That was last night, and I mentioned that in VIP. I was closing the Aussie CAD to reduce risk. It's always best to get in early when you can. Like this breakout here, for example, we get the green bar under, and we've got this really nice Fibonacci pullback. That would have been an amazing outcome. But I'm not in front of the charts when these things occur, and a lot of the time I'm going to pick a trade like this one when I see the pullback. And moving forward, I'm going to be speculating a little bit more. We'll be opening limit orders a little bit more often than we have been. So Aussie Swiss, okay, this was the trade. I've just copied these from our VIP posts. These are automatically entered into VIP with my MT4 program. So I decided to abandon this trade. But first up, we took the trade based on this retrace, entered short. Okay, so the reason I closed it was I just wasn't happy with how this was trending sideways. Kind of went sideways for quite a while. If it doesn't trend within the day, I'm likely to shut it down and move on. As it was, it didn't really give us much of an opportunity, and then it kind of went against. Okay, so I took that one out. One thing I want you to understand with the signals is this: they are highly accurate. Okay, see this. This would tell you when there's a break of market structure. That's it. It's not a buy or sell signal. It's the strategy that we trade. Okay, so we look for this indicator and the other one on the lower time frame, the higher time frame. When they shape up, then we're going to be looking for a fib retrace to enter. And this signal here, when you have red under, is the one we want to take. I mean, look at the outcome with this, for example, and these red signals. So you're going to ignore the green when you've got a red bar. I mean, that would have been fine to take this on the pullback here, short. Definitely. I'm tending to set some fairly wide stops with these guys. I get a little bit concerned with the volatility, but if you're running in here with tighter stops and you're going to go for a decent risk reward, that could be a thing for you. In any case, this one was a break even, slightly in profit. Swissy yen, this was a little controversial. Some of you survived this and others got taken out. I mean, look where it is now. Target reached, and that's a 2R target. Depending on your broker with this one. Okay, again, I took this based on a pullback, but then look at the volatility. Guys, it is not easy trading the currency markets. The banks are absolutely out to get you. We are competing against the most sophisticated algorithms, minds in the world in this space. That's who we're up against, guys. Now, to come out ahead when you're faced with that is quite an achievement, to say the least. They say maybe 90 to 95% of retail traders crash and burn. There's only a very small handful that are consistently profitable. But, you can definitely be that. You just have to have a trading plan, a strategy, and you've got to have the discipline to implement it. So those of you, some of the brokers got stopped out. I know IC Markets, Well Trade, they were stopped, but you can see here, we're still in this one. This is forex.com. Fusion Markets are still in it. And a couple of guys have messaged me in Telegram saying that they're still in this trade. If you are, close it now. I'll put this into VIP. Moving on, we'll have a look at the Euro Aussie. Here's a perfect example of running with the strategy. We've got the red bar under, take the trade. This one, you might have got caught. Take the trade, take the trade, take the trade. take the trade. You might have got caught here. Okay, 2 of them. Take the trade, stop above. Okay, that's fine. Take the trade, take the trade. 8 good ones, 2 fell over. Okay, back over here, closed manually at break even. This €1 was, and that was as we were trading into big Aussie data. Yeah, so closed into data release. That was a break even. Euro pound. Oh yeah, this one was a pending sell. I was looking at this on the 4-hour time frame, looking for that. It's pulled back to 84,700, but didn't quite make our entry, our limit sell. But I mean, you can see if you catch these early on, I mean, that would have been a miss. Yeah, some of these kind of get away on you. That would have been okay. We're looking for the fib pullback into the 50, remember? 50 to 618. You could have caught this one up here. This first break, red bar, that would have been your entry point right there. But you've got to be in front of the computer to catch these. Or at least have the alerts going off on your phone so that you can manage these trades. Okay, next one was the Euro Kiwi. Trading these on the higher time frame. Okay, here it is on the 4H. We took this trade. I ended up closing it down here. I will shut these down at the end of the New York session as well. We traded into a previous daily low, and I thought it would be a good idea to secure profits. My stops are pretty wide. It doesn't have to be that wide, guys. You can go in with tighter stops, and that would increase the risk-reward outcome dramatically. Kiwi CAD, that was a nice outcome. We closed at 2R on that one, and the Kiwi Yen. This one I shut down early today. Oh yeah, I remember putting this into VIP. So look, here's the thing. You follow the strategy, buy, 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 buy. Okay, keep going, and then look what they do to you. Stop run. Thursday, Friday, it can get messy and it can go against you. So I tend to wind things down at the end of the week. Okay, the last one, dollar CAD. This one was a limit buy, looking at a potential drop back down into here. We got it, we filled here. I ended up closing this one after this bearish breakout and this price action leaning over. So as soon as we traded back up into profit, I closed it and secured some profits on that one. That's the reason why I shut that one down. All in all, we had a successful week. Last 11 weeks, we had a 42R in April, a 33R in May. June, we're in week 2 and we're at 2.66R. Some weeks are better than others, some months are better than others, but the idea is every month is a winning month. I prefer every week to be a winning week. We've had one losing week out of 11. And again, guys, trading is not easy. But if you have a strategy and you're disciplined, all you need is an edge and you can grow your account. So here's the outcome on the MT4 account I'm trading for the VIP signals. And the idea is I'm more than happy. Be persistent, be consistent, and grow your account, guys. So here's an invite to jump on board with us. Gain access to our signals, our members chat group, trading tutorials, Tradingview indicators, and develop your strategy. The idea of this is to help people to focus on their trading plan and to become independent, profitable traders. And I can tell you now, quite a few of my members are doing that. Okay, so join. Shout me a sushi train once a month. I don't want to give it away for free, but that would be a nice exchange. And I'm good with that, guys. So with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.